Go, referee's final. 2-2. Attack, out, traveling. Ball. Elijah's ball. Attack Iris. The more you a lot of the ball, you're gonna be still the ball. Hands up only, no steal. Go up, defense. Nice. Don't get it. Out of bound. Toyo's ball. Hey, happy viewing. 2 million views. Share na po ng live. At manalo ng 1,000. Yay! 3-2. Last 2 more points. You're gonna be win. You know. Marcia Santillan, pa-share na po ng live. Damihan mo na ng 10 shares para manalo ka. Oh, miss. Go 3 points. Bagwis versus Toyo. Attack right away. Oh, miss. Go 3 points. Hands up only, no steal. Go. Iyan ang Marcia Santillan. Bigyan na natin ng ano yan, ng pan-load. PM mo na ako, idol. Yan, ganyan lang dito sa BTK TV. Basta unang sharer and commenter, ikaw kagad ang mabibigyan. 25 views, mamigay na tayo ng ayuda. 20 views, pa-share na po sa mga group. Lagyan nyo ng title. Join na sa ayuda, 1,000. 3-3. Sayang Mingming Noblesa, nahuli ang pasok mo, idol. Pa-share na nanalo na si Marcia Santillan. Unang sharer and commenter. Marcia Santillan, PM mo na ako, idol. Yan o, Bagwis versus Toyo. Go defense! Pa-share na ng live. 15 views, mamigay tayo ng ayuda. 15 views. Behind. No steal. Behind. Yan, thank you. Nabigyan na si Marcia Santillan. Unang nabigyan ng ayuda. Behind. Last touch, Toyo. Bagwis. Elijah, put right here. And then shoot. Because no steal. That's why you dribble your behind your legs. Behind your legs. Behind your legs. Oh, score. 4-3. 4-3. Bagwis ball. Last shot. Bagwis gonna be win. I told you always hands up. If you 4-4. Champion na 5-3. Iyan po mga idol. Congrats natin ang first winner si Marcia Santillan. Bigyan na natin ng pang-load dahil siya po unang commenter and sharer. Ganyan lang sa BTK TV, mag-share ka kagad at maya-maya ipipm na kita na ikaw ang nanalo. Congrats natin si Marcia Santillan. Congrats natin si Bagwis. Nanalo sa laban nila. 1v1. 5-3. Panalo si Bagwis. Congrats! Give me 5. Boo!